David has 15 toy army men. His mom takes him to the toy store to buy 10 more army men. How many army men does David now have? Hello, first graders. Today we will be using a linear model to solve our word problem. We have here a base 10 grid paper, and we know that David has 15 army men, and he bought 10 more at the store. We want to know how many he will have. So we know that each square represents 1. So we will start here, and we will draw out 15 squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So there is our 15. And now we are looking for 10 more. He bought 10 more at the store. So we will start right here where we left off at 15. And we know that half of 10 is 5. So we know that this will be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5. And we are looking for 10. So we need 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that is plus 5. So we know that we had 15 plus 5 plus 5, which was our 10, and that equals 25. Now, one thing I want you to know is that I drew a straight line and I did not color in my squares. Because if we color in our squares, we are solving for the area. And our word problem did not ask for area. Good morning, first graders. We will be measuring time today, and this is our word problem. School starts at 7:45 a.m. How much time will have had passed at 12:45 p.m. when it is time for lunch? We will be measuring time with a timeline today. So first we want to draw an empty timeline. So we will draw a straight line across, and we want to make a start time. So we know that our start time is at 7:45 a.m. We want to make our end time, and we know that lunch is our end time, and that is at 7:45 p.m. And we also want to make noon. Noon is 12 o'clock p.m. We know noon is before 12:45, so we will mark noon. 12 p.m. So now we are going to apply the Make 60 approach. From 7:45 a.m. we want to jump to our nearest hour. 7:45, jumping to our nearest hour will be 8 o'clock a.m. And if we jump, that is plus 15 minutes. So now from 8 a.m. we want to jump to our next nearest hour. And we know that that is 9 o'clock a.m. So if we make that jump, that is plus 1 hour. So I think that we can jump 2 hours from 9 a.m. The nearest hour would be 10 a.m. So we want to jump 2 hours and that will be 11 a.m. So one big jump plus 2 hours from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. So we want to jump to our next nearest hour, and that will be noon, 12 o'clock p.m. So if we make that jump, it will be plus 1 hour. So our next nearest hour will be 1 o'clock, but our end time is at 12:45 p.m. So we will make the jump from 12 o'clock p.m. until 12:45 p.m. So if we make that jump, that is 45 minutes. From 12 o'clock p.m. till 12:45 p.m. So we know from looking at our graphs, we have hours and minutes. We know that we have 15 minutes from 7:45 to 8 a.m. and we have 1 hour from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. That's 1 hour. And we have 2 hours from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. 2 hours. From 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. we have 1 hour. 1 hour. And we have from 12 o'clock p.m. until 12:45 p.m. we jumped 45 minutes. 45 minutes. Because we are in the make 60 approach, we want to add our minutes first. So 15 minutes plus 45 minutes. We know 5 and 5 is 10. 4 plus 1